Now let us see exercise 6.2, fourth question. Now see the question. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 40 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. So in our question what they have given here, one pedestal. Okay, pedestal mean one stand. On the top of a pedestal they have keep one statue. Okay, so the height of a statue, that is 1.6 meter tall they have given. After, from a point on the ground, okay, so from the point on the ground they are looking at the top of the statue in which degree angle? 60 degree angle. Angle of elevation mean bottom to top they are seeing. Okay, so the angle of elevation of the top of the statue first they are seeing in 60 degree angle. After, again from the same point mean from a point on the ground, the same point, again they are looking at the top of a pedestal, they are looking in 40 degree angle. Okay, first they are looking at the top of the statue in 60 degree angle. Next they are seeing the top of the pedestal in the same point, they are looking at the top of the pedestal in which degree angle? 40 degree angle. Next they are asking to find the height of the pedestal, we need to find out. Okay, so after turn for 40 degree value they have given, that is 0.8931, root 3 value also they have given. Okay, so now see the solution. First you can see how to draw the diagram. Okay, so now see here, roughly I have drawn here one pedestal mean one stand. Okay, so on the top of the pedestal, you know that this is the bottom of the pedestal, this is the top of the pedestal. Here on the top of the pedestal they have keep one statue. The height of the statue, that is 1.6 meter they have given. This is pedestal, this one, that is pedestal, this one statue, the height of the statue they have given, that is 1.6 meter. After, from a point on the ground, you can keep this point here, that means eye of the observer. Okay, so if you are standing here means, so this is from a point on the ground. First they are looking at the top of the statue in 60 degree angles. Top of the statue, where it is, this is the statue. Okay, so top of the statue, they are looking at the top of the statue. Okay, here they are seeing. After, you know that this is the horizontal line. Okay, so when they're looking at this right, okay, this is the horizontal line, this is the line of sight. Okay, first they are looking at the top of the statue in which degree angle? 60 degree angle. After, from the same point, okay, same this point, after they are looking at the top of the pedestal they are looking at. Okay, in which degree angle? 40 degree angle. Top of the pedestal means this one. Okay, so here they are looking at, so the same point means the same horizontal line only it will come. Okay, so in which degree angle? 40 degree angle they are looking at. Okay, so now see here, after in our question what they have asked to find out, find the height of the pedestal. You know that this is the pedestal. Okay, so this you can consider as a height. This height only we need to find out. Here you can see how many right triangle you have? Two right angle triangle. Okay, so this one right angle triangle, after the full right angle triangle. Okay, so now you can see here, first you can put the letter A, B, C. Okay, so this also one point. Okay, so C, after D, after this distance, you know, this height, you know that height of the statue. Okay, 1.6 meter, 6 centimeter. Okay, so after this is pedestal, this height only we need to find out, that you can consider as a height. After, you know that this distance you can take it as a X or AB, anyway you can keep it. Okay, so now you can write, let BC be the pedestal. Okay, BC means this one, BC, this the length, that is the pedestal. Okay, so let BC be the pedestal and DC be the statue. DC means this one. Okay, so this height, that is the statue. The letter, what is it? DC be the statue. After, let BC is equal to height. This length, this height, what you have taken? Height. Okay, so that height only we need to find out. Next, AB is equal to X. AB means this distance. Okay, that we have taken as X. Then the next one, DC is equal to 1.6 centimeter. DC means the height of the statue, that in our question itself they have given 1.6 centimeter. So you know that BD means full length also we needed, because here two right angle triangle, this full right angle triangle when you have taken when you take, so we needed this length also, full length also we needed. So how you know that this much length, that is height, this length, that is 1.6, total length, how this one and this length you can add it, okay, that is height plus 1.6 only BD length, okay, so you can add it BC plus CD. BC length, that is height, CD length, that is 1.6, so totally BD means height plus 1.6 it will come, okay. So we need to find out what is it to find height of the pedestal, okay. So now you can write first in a right angle triangle ABC, okay. So which right angle triangle? This right angle triangle, small right angle triangle, okay. So that angle, what is it? This right angle triangle means angle is 40 degree. Angle, right angle triangle name, how will you write? This is the right angle, okay. So how will you write the name? ABC, okay. Now we are considering this right angle triangle only. So ABC, okay. So afterwards, this angle A, we know that angle A, how you can write? BAC or CAB, okay. So that is 40 degree. So you know that this here only we need to find out, okay. So here this is the right angle opposite, this is the hypotenuse, okay. In this right angle triangle, this opposite of the right angle, that is hypotenuse. This angle, this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side, okay. So this opposite and adjacent only we are going to consider, because the hypotenuse length we don't want to find out, and here they didn't give also that length, okay. So this one already we have taken as X, this length, that is adjacent side, this is opposite side, this one only we need to find out, okay. So this two things if you want to take means a tan ratio you can consider, okay. So tan angle, that is 40 degree, is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side here, what is it? BC, okay. So you know that this is the right angle, this right angle triangle only we have taken. So this is the hypotenuse side, this angle, this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side. So opposite by adjacent mean BC length divided by AB length, okay. So tan 40 degree, in our question itself they have given that value, okay. 0.8391 is equal to BC, what you have taken? H. So you can write H divided by AB. AB, what we have taken? X. You can write as X. Now X, you can bring it to this side, this value you can bring it to this side, okay. So this is division, that after the equal to you have, that is division. So if you transpose to the left hand side, so it will become multiplication. So X is equal to height, this part if you bring it to this side mean it will become division, okay. So now X value, you know that X is equal to height divided by 0.8931. So you can consider as equation 1. Next you are going to take the next right angle triangle. Can you name the right angle triangle? This is full right angle triangle, okay. So now see here, right angle triangle name, this is a right angle, so ABD, okay. So that right angle we are going to consider. That right angle triangle, this full, this 60 degree angle, okay. So this line and this line correctly you have to take, okay. So that is 60 degree, that also angle A only 60 degree, okay. So then how will you write the angle name? BAD or DAB, that is 60 degree, okay. So here also adjacent side, because the hypotenuse we don't know. So here also, so another, this is the right angle, this is the hypotenuse, okay. So right angle opposite, this is the hypotenuse, this full length, that is this length, this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side, okay. Here also we are going to consider opposite side, this full length after this adjacent side only. So the same tan ratio only we are going to take. Tan, this right angle triangle angle, what they have given? 60 degree. So tan 60 degree is equal to this full right angle triangle. So you know that this side is the hypotenuse, this angle, this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side, okay. So opposite and adjacent side means BD divided by AB, okay. So BD divided by AB. Tan 60 degree value, you know that from the tabular column, you know that √3 is equal to BD, already we have written height plus 1.6, this length plus this length, okay. So total if you add it only the BD length, so that you can write height plus 1.6 divided by AB, what we have taken? X, okay. So that you have to write. So then afterwards here also, so now see the first equation, here also X you have. So here also you can find the X value, then you can equate this two equation, okay. So X, if you bring it to this side, so X is equal to height plus 1.6, this √3 you can bring it to this side, then it will become division, okay. So then what will you get? X is equal to height plus 1.6 divided by √3 we will get, okay. So see, After root 3 value, we know that in the question itself they have given that is 1.732. So here you can consider that as a equation 2. Now see the first equation also the left hand side x, the second equation also the left hand side x. So the left hand side if it is equal means right hand side and right hand side also it will be equal only. So here x, that equation 2 also left hand side you have x. So left hand side if it is equal means right hand side also must be equal only. So we can make it equal. So the first equation 1, h divided by 0.8931 is equal to this one. Okay, so this right hand side, so h plus 1.6 divided by 1.732. Now we can find out the value. So here you know that in between equal to you have. So can you cross multiply? If you cross multiply, h into 1.732 is equal to this with this one. So I know that this is two parts. Okay, so in between plus you have. So this 0.8391. So put it the bracket and you have to write this one. Okay, so h into this part is equal to here this part multiply with the h and this part multiply with 1.6 also. So correctly you have to calculate. So h into, so this part plus this into this one. Okay, so the next one, h into 1.732. This, can you bring it to this side? Here also h you have, here also you have h. Okay, so this part if you bring it mean commonly you can make it outside. So this part bring it to the side, this plus part. If you bring it to the side it will become minus. Okay, so h into 1.732 minus h into 0.8391 is equal to this part it will come. So after see this part and this part which is common, h is common. So can you make it the h outside? So if you take it outside, so inside what it will come, h already we have taken outside. So here 1.732 minus, here also h commonly we have taken outside. So the remaining what it will come minus 0.8391 is equal to, you can multiply this one. Remove the point and multiply after the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 digit before you can put the point, you will get this answer. And the next one, h, this and this you can subtract, then you will get this answer. So while subtracting and multiplying correctly you have to do because big digit number, so correctly you have to do. Okay, so this part so is equal to 1.3426. Now I know that this is multiplication only, h into this part. So then h keep it, this part already we have that side only. So right, this if you bring it to the right hand side it will become division. So 0 point. Now you know that how we can. So if you want to remove the denominator you have after the point 4 digit. If you want to remove the decimal means you can multiply and divide by 10,000. Okay, so 4 digit mean 4 zeros, like that you can think. Okay, so then the point it will remove, then what will you get? H is equal to this into this if you multiply mean 13,426. This with this one if you multiply mean the point which will remove, so 8929. And then now you can divide. Okay, so if you divide means height is equal to 1.5036 meter you will get the height of the, therefore now the height means what you have taken height, that is the height of the pedestal only we have taken as a height. Okay, so the height value you have got it, so therefore the height of the pedestal is 1.5036 meters. So that is the answer. Thank you.